Yo, Seth, do you know what would be doing this? Can't get it to raw. As soon as I put the lid on, but it's just too much yellow flame, I don't know why. I've tried gradually blocking the chokes with valves on there, but it didn't work. Turn the gas up. Doesn't want to know, it just pumps it all out the side. To me that would say too much oxygen, but even without it, I don't know. For some reason it's not roaring inside. What do you reckon, man? It's just the same, man. Don't matter how much gas I put into it. It's drawing well on the chokes. If I block the chokes up, it gets worse. The more gas, obviously, it gets worse. So I packed out around the pipe, and I've just laid some rock wool all the way around the outside, so there's a tight fit on the lid. But yeah, look, I turn the gas up and it just should be doing that. Wait for the pot. Ain't gonna do it, look, still burning. Anyway, I don't know, man. Doing something wrong.